Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you here. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing if you have. I really appreciate you. So today we are going to talk all about Seint Beauty. I am so excited about the new rebranding from mascara to Seint Beauty. And if you're confused, yes, Mascara Beauty did rebrand. So if you're familiar with mascara, we're now Seint. If you have no idea what Seint is, but you're interested and you want to find out more, stay tuned. The number one question I get on social media is, I'm interested in Seint, I want to get a color match, I've never used creams before, help me. Okay, I do not want you to be afraid of creams. The first thing I will say about cream is it does not have to be heavy, it does not have to be cakey, and the reason why it does not have to be heavy and cakey is because you are gonna use like a third of what you're used to using. I always tell my new clients, take half of the amount that you use with your liquid makeup and then have it again. So you're basically using like probably less than a third than what you're used to using when you put your makeup on. Now, take a look at my face, you guys. I'm not a traditional Instagram, YouTube beauty guru that feels like I have to have 100% perfect skin, okay? I'm 46 years old. I'm proud of the way that I look. I know that I do have some skin imperfections, but you know, by and by, my skin still looks like skin. I'm proud of the fact that I still do get compliments on my skin, and people can see my skin even through my Seint cream makeup, and that's so important to me. So I feel like I'm covering what I need to cover, but yet my skin is still beautiful, and my vitality and the glowy kind of real humanness of myself is shining through. So that's what I really want for you, and that's what I feel that creams can really deliver for you. So creams are special because they're not absorbed the way that those liquid formulations and those powders are. So creams are meant to glide on the skin. So, and what that means is that as your face is moving during the day, it doesn't crack, it doesn't crease, and it doesn't settle. And the thing about creams, when I do find that people are saying, oh gosh, like it's not working, what am I doing wrong? I talk to them and I find out that they're using way more than they need to use. So remember in the beginning when I was talking about, you know, take the amount of liquid that you use, have that, and then have it again, and then you're gonna find that you need to be using tiny, tiny bits of cream. What is awesome about Seint creams is rather than take that powder foundation or take that liquid foundation that you're used to using, put it on the face, kind of like take the life out of your skin, and then you kind of, you know, you have to go back and you have to add that contour, you have to add the bronzer, you have to add your highlight, your illumination, you have to add your blush to give light back to your face. You're not gonna have to do that with Seint Beauty. You're gonna take one layer of makeup and you're gonna strategically place it all around your skin where you need it, and then you're gonna blend from there. So it's gonna be that one seamless layer that once you get the hang of it, it's gonna save you so much time when you're getting ready, whether it's in the morning or whatever you're doing. And yes, in the beginning, there's gonna be a little bit of a learning curve because, you know, let's face it, you're not going to be used to the texture of cream. You're not going to really be used to like where you should be placing things. But once you get it down, it's going to be so fun and quick and seamless. And I can't wait for you to get started. So you can start out with Seint Beauty with something as little as this quad that can house 4 makeup tins. You can go all the way up to a little hack stack, which is like a double compact. And again, you can put everything from your foundations to your contours to your lip and cheek colors, your powders, your illuminators, your eyeshadows, they all fit because the tins are magnetic, and these, oops, sorry, I don't mean to Oh, that's not a mirror. I thought I blinded you for a second. These are all magnets, so everything fits. So this one is called a hack stack. This one fits 8 tins. The first one I showed you, which was the quad, fits 4. I have all of them pulled up here on my computer because I always forget the names. This one is a mini double decker. Now this one can hold up to 16 tins. See that? And then you come to the double deckers. These can fit up to 30, 32. Isn't that great? Isn't that lovely? This is what's called my triple decker palette. So on that first level, sorry, I don't want to blind you. On that first level, I have all of my main face colors, okay? These are my contours. These are my brighteners. These are my highlighters. These are my color correctors. Did I say that? Color correctors. So if you have age spots, pigmentation, melasma, areas that you want to brighten, if you have bluish purple discoloration under your eyes like I do, all of this is going to take care of that. On the second level, I have my lip and cheek colors. Now these colors are versatile, they're multitaskers, they're made for the cheeks, and they also can be used on the lips. And then this little side right here is all illuminators. So to give yourself a little bit of that angelic glow. And then on my last level, I have a selection of eyeshadows and then some powders. Now, don't look at this and get scared, you guys, okay? Because obviously, I have a lot of colors and I just kind of go crazy with them. When I match you for the first time, I'm not gonna overwhelm you. I'm going to give you the basics, what you need to get started, and then you can definitely build your collection from there. As you can see, whether you want to really pare down and become a makeup minimalist and have a beauty capsule just in, say, a smaller compact like one of these, or if you really kind of want to ramp it up and do a double-decker compact like this that holds up to 16, or you really want to get like the Mac Daddy and get a triple-decker like what I have, the possibilities are absolutely endless. So that was just the basics of this video, you guys, what the whole system is about, how you can build your own palette, why cream is exceptional. I have a ton of tutorials that I filmed in the past about using cream makeups. Please feel free to watch them, binge watch them. I'm a total nerd. You know, they aren't the most slick videos you're gonna find on YouTube, but I'm sure you'll find that I do have a lot of information. I've been licensed for a long time. I do have heart. I do believe in everything that I'm telling you guys. So feel free to watch those to get more information. But if you want to get started now, if this video has inspired you, I have a link in the description. Just head on over to my color match form. It literally takes 3 to 5 minutes to go ahead and submit. And one of the things I'm going to have you do is give me a selfie of yourself with no makeup on. I want to see the beautiful true tones of your skin. I want to see your face, your neck, and your chest. That way I can completely match you correctly and we can get you started on this system. Thank you so much for watching. I love every one of you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.